Welcome to today's tutorial on viewing editing history in Google Docs. Whether you've made changes to a document and need to see what was there before, or you're working on a shared document and want to know who made specific edits, this feature has you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Begin by opening the Google Doc you want to check, navigate to Google Drive, find the document, and open it. Make sure you're connected to the internet to ensure all changes are logged and up to date. 2. Access the version history. Click on File in the top menu, select Version History from the drop-down. Finally, click on See Version History. 3. Explore the edit history. A sidebar will appear on the right, showing a list of dates and times. Each entry represents a different version of your document. Click on a version to see the document as it was at that point in time, with the edits highlighted for easy spotting. 4. Tips for using editing history in Google Docs. Google Docs automatically saves versions of your document every few minutes, but you can also manually save a version with a specific name for easier reference. You can restore your document to a previous version if you decide that the edits made since then are not needed. If you're working in a shared document, you can see the names of collaborators next to the changes they made. The version history feature is also available in Google Sheets and Google Slides, so you can track changes across different types of files. Remember that if you make a copy of a Google Doc, the version history does not carry over to the new document. Congratulations! You've learned how to see the editing history of your Google document. Keep exploring and using this powerful feature to enhance your collaboration and document management. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.